This is limitedresources.us. We're going to display how to remotely update the software on our chips, and we do that with an over-the-air update. So the first step to doing that is we need to turn on a Wi-Fi signal, and we need to call it paybox. So the Wi-Fi network is going to be called paybox, as you can see there, and the password for it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And once we've turned this on first, we're going to come to our box. As you can see, there is the ID, and we simply find the blue circuit board, and there is a initial EN. We simply press that 1 2 3 and release, and it reboots the credit card application. And as you can see there, it's automatically updating and downloading from our servers the latest firmware version. And we will let it'll take a couple of seconds. We just wait. There, update is finished. And there's a signal that said turn off Wi-Fi hotspot. So we come down here, we turned off the hotspot, and if we don't turn it off, it would have just continued to download the update over and over again, which we don't want. In this case, we shut it off, and as you can see, there's no more updating. It has the latest software. This is limited resources, and we've just demonstrated that we've done a OTA, over-the-air update from our servers, and now the system has the latest code. A good idea to do this once a year so you're always current with the software.